LEDlightexpert.com here. Wanted to go over some things regarding the DLC. Some of you may not know what the DLC is. That is the Design Lights Consortium. What does the DLC mean? The DLC is basically an organization that helps ensure performance and quality of lights. The UL, on the other hand, is based in safety. Our lights are going to be DLC and UL. These Titan 2s here are a DLC Premium, one of the newest, DLC rating at the time, meaning that it's going to hold 90% of its light output for 36,000 hours. For standard use, you're looking 15 to 20 years on that. Way better than you're going to see out of any HPS, metal halide, whatever you're replacing. You've got a long life on these. You're going to save a ton in the long run when it comes to the DLC lights. What we also want to show you was that all these lights, one of the main things with the DLC and UL is that it's marked on the lights themselves, so you have some proof of the certification when it comes to what those things do for you. DLC certification, UL certification. Most of the utilities nowadays are giving out some sorts of rebates. You'd have to check with your local utility to see what the options are out there. But in order for those utilities to know that you've got a quality product that is far more efficient, that's going to last a long time, the DLC came into place. They jumped in that spot in the market. It's a non-profit organization, but they jumped in that spot in the market to help ensure these things, to make sure that you do have an efficient light, that you're doing what you can to help reduce power usage and save the environment in the long run. These Titan 2 series, like I said, these are DLC Premium. The DLC Premium is their top of the line rating right now. So you can't go wrong when you're looking for DLC. Make sure when you're getting lights, you do DLC. Like I said, UL also is the other safety aspect of it, to make sure you've got safe products. So both of these things together are things you want to look at when you're purchasing lights. All right, as a final note, we just wanted to go over the DLC a little bit more, just to point out they are independent. This is a nonprofit organization. Having that DLC listing on your lights means that somebody else has verified that what you have in those lights is what they're putting out. Really important. Like we said before, your rebates are going to be very dependent on having the proper certifications, which is the DLC. So make sure you've got that DLC. If you've got any questions regarding the DLC or the UL for safety ratings, feel free to give us a call here at LEDlightexpert.com. We have experts ready to answer calls and take your questions anytime you have them.